finally back. Took a little bit of a break. I guess you could say we, oh, I can't see. Got quite a few tag-alongs here. But I took a little bit of a break to just kind of, I don't know, get my head wrapped around everything. Lots of stuff going on. So we have a little bit of an interesting morning. Ryan threw his back out earlier Monday. It's Thursday now? Oh my goodness. This week is flying by. Anyways, so I'm going to have to help him with all the chores. I've been helping him with all the chores in the morning because he can't pick up the buckets and all of that. So, and then we're also going to have to go feed a bale to the cow herd. So, yeah, it'll be an interesting morning. Hopefully I can get this one off my back and, I don't know, give me a little relief. I got enough weight on me. Okay, well, we'll leave them to it. That's sheep chores for the morning. We'll have to come back later and put them up in the sheep shed, but we'll call that good for now. I'm planning on doing a video on our winter grazing of the sheep. If you guys would be interested in that, make sure you leave a comment below. Just show you guys what we're doing and how it's going. So now we're on to all the cattle stuff. So we just weaned these calves about 2 weeks ago, and we got hit with coccidiosis, which is just something that they have, but since they were highly stressed from being weaned, it came out and spread throughout our weaning calves. And so this is our group that was showing signs and symptoms of them, so of the coccidiosis still. So we have them on a little bit higher of a medicated feed and water ration than this other group of calves that we're dealing with. If you guys ever need a tip with it, we were brand new to it. We had no idea. We just thought they were having loose stool from alfalfa and like the grass that they were on. But sure enough, Ryan looked it up because there was some that had some blood in their stool, and that's a sure sign of it. But Chores is the medication that you can put in their water. You guys saw me use that. I will leave a link in the description box below. If you're going to use the medicated feed though, we found out that you do need a prescription from your vet. So our vet came out the other day, gave us a prescription for it, gave us some guidance since we've never dealt with it before, and we're hoping everybody's looking okay. But getting hit with coccidiosis and pneumonia at the same time was very hard on us. What a weird day. So Ryan's back is feeling so bad that he's just laying down in the living room. and there's still stuff to be done, so I'm the girl to do it. I just spilled coffee everywhere. So anyways, Grace May's laid down for a nap. William's watching a movie with Ryan, and we're gonna go up. Look, so much to do with the calves, everybody. So first thing, we're gonna go feed this alfalfa bale. So I started to unroll this alfalfa bale. It was like half of a bale, a little bit more, and it was on there wonky, first of all. Second, it was on there backwards, so it came off. I mean, it came off perfect for cows, like you like to flake it out, but it was a pain in the butt for me. So I'm gonna try to unroll a little bit more of this, just so we don't have a big chunk like that, and spread it out a little bit more, but they're eating and happy, so that's good. So we just got these girls about a week ago. So you can still see the tags on their shoulders from the sale barn. But they're happy. Okay, second to last thing that we have to do for the day is we need to go feed that bale to the cow herd. Well, we're gonna feed one bale of prairie hay and then a half bale of alfalfa, and then later, like 5 o'clock, we'll head up and put the sheep up for the night. So hopefully my phone doesn't die. Yeah, and I can get one clip of us rolling out the bales. But long story short, so Ryan was gonna come with us. So I did it last night with him, and it went okay, and I know where we're going, but like to roll it out, I don't know, I'm just nervous because it's a stick shift. Anyways, we're going by ourselves because he's at his part-time job, so wish me luck. And I have 2 kids. Let's get this done. Okay, that was already super stressful. No, it wasn't that bad. I just couldn't get backed up to this prairie hay bale, the second hay bale, and I pulled forward to like readjust, and then my alfalfa bale fell off, or rolled off. I know, and both the kids are done, and we should have got a snack, and it's just, yeah, wish me luck, please, again. I'm feeling a little better. I got into first gear, which was good. Last night I had a really hard time going from low to first, just because the gears are kind of funky, but it's going good so far. The only thing I hope is that the cows are out grazing, and so they're not where I'm gonna put this bale. So that way I don't feel rushed. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Yay! Okay, gotta remember that this fence is hot, so don't touch it. But everybody's out grazing. If you can see them way back there. They're grazing, so, whoa! This fence is hot, Kelsey. It's hot. Oh no, they just saw me. Anyways, I'm gonna shut this gate really quick. And then they're all gonna move. They're all gonna come down. And I'm gonna be able to do everything that I need to do and not be stressed. Well, I'll still be stressed, but I won't have all these cows on my butt trying to get around me to get this bale until I'm ready to let them in. And that'll work even better. That way everybody gets a little alfalfa, since we're only doing a half bale. Yeah, they're already coming. Ah! Okay, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Almost done. We did it! Woo! The kids are really upset, but we did it! We're done. Okay, we're going back to the house. Okay, now we're gonna watch the fruits of our labor. Everybody's ready to go, and the bale's all out there. William's over by the pickup. Okay, the happy ending to a long day. Watch, Will. William, watch the cows. What's going on? What's going on? What are they all doing? They were going through, weren't they? You say bye, cows. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this day in the life of a sheep farmer turned cattle farmer for the day, since I had to do all my husband's chores. But anyways, make sure you give this video a like because it really helps support our channel, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.